No, no. It's gone, Jim. Son of a bitch. Son of a bitch. Son of a bitch.
It burnt a hole in the bottom of that plate. That's the sparkler.
Oh, shit.
Burnt a hole in the bottom of the plate.
The plate. Well, there's a screw up.
Why did it do that?
I've never seen one do that.
I hadn't